Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cruise control, remote keyless entry, cloth bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.